how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals, and as y'all can see, what I have for everyone to hear today is another unboxing and first impressions. But before we dive into this unboxing and first impressions, I just want to send a big shout out and a big thank you to your girl Gigi, aka Gadget Goddess, for hooking your boy up with the link so I can make this purchase. Because this right here, y'all, is the ViceTing Stylus pen for touchscreen devices, okay? And I picked this bad boy up for 20 bucks. And this bad boy should work across all of your touchscreen devices. So it's compatible with Android, it's compatible with iOS and all of your various different iOS devices, and it's also compatible with Windows devices. And I've tested it with some Windows devices so far, and I've tested it with some Android devices, and it works no problem. Currently, as of the recording of this video, I don't have iOS devices right now. But let's get into this unboxing and first impressions. So, talking about the overall packaging, I have to say ViceTing has done a great job here. It's very minimalist. Really nice white box. And you can see we got a nice little window into our stylus pen here. I did get the black one. Now it comes in black, silver, and I think there's one other color if I'm not mistaken. But this looks really, really good. And you can see they got their little slogan right here, and they tell you what it is. So this is an active stylus pen for touchscreen devices. Flipping it to the side, y'all can see just has that fine tip nub for granular control. Good stuff there. Flipping it to the back, we got some more specifications right there. And we got the barcode scanner information right there. And it does need power in order for it to be used. But I'm going to show y'all how to power it on, how to charge it, all that good stuff in this video. So don't worry about that. And then along this side, we have everything that it can be used with. So again, as I told y'all, various different iOS devices. So your iPod Touch, your iPhone, your iPad, iPad Pro, any Android devices with touchscreen, and any Windows devices with touchscreen, okay? So good stuff there. And overall, I gotta say the presentation on this is really, really good. Now, I already cracked all the tapes and seals off camera, as I always do. So let's get into this. Sliding it out the package here. Rest it down. Nothing else in the box, so we can throw the box off to the side. Boom. Alright, and here we have the stylus pen and the charging cable. Now this is rechargeable, and sadly it is micro USB, as y'all can see there. I would have liked USB Type-C, but micro USB is not bad. And I'll be real interested to see just how long this battery lasts on a single charge. So I'm thinking it's gonna last a long time. And then here we have the pen itself. Let me pop this out. And here's the pen. Throw this plastic out of here. Boom. And here we have it. And guys, I gotta tell y'all, this looks and feels really good in my hands. Feels like it's made out of aluminum. Really nice, cold to the touch. And there's that fine tip nub there. Really good stuff. It actually feels like a regular pen. And that's kind of what I was going for, because with this pen, I'm going to be using it primarily for editing across my different devices. And I do plan on getting a tablet that I can edit on as well, just because I want that bigger screen. But primarily, this pen is going to be used for editing my videos. And I'm not going to lie, y'all, I do a lot of editing on my devices, and I do it primarily with my hands and my fingers. And on these smaller screens, I get a lot of hand cramps while I'm trying to edit granular things, add annotations, and so on and so forth. Because of that, I've always been in the market for a really good stylus pen with a nice fine tip. Now, I do have other styluses that I use, but it just doesn't offer the granular control that I'm looking for. So hopefully this one does the job. And now let me show y'all. So it does need power. So we do have a power button here, right here on the side. You just push it once to turn it on, and then it's ready to be used across any and all devices. And you push it again to turn it off. Now when you're ready to charge the device, this is a magnetic cover. You just pop the magnetic cover off and you can see we got micro USB charging here. Now when you're charging the pen, it'll be red. Red indicates that it's charging properly. When it's fully charged, you'll see a green LED, and that will mean that it's fully charged. Okay, so I just wanted to show y'all that. Now let me power it on real quick and show y'all. So you just push it one time, it powers on, and now it's ready to go. And you could take any one of your Android devices here and it should work. So let's try this out. Okay, so it's, yeah, you see it works, no problems, and you got that nice fine tip granular control here. Really good stuff. So this should be really awesome when we talk about editing, and everything should just work. So you can see I could tap icons. If I need to, if I wanted to, I can sideload an app that gives me pen support, and then I could write out notes and things of that nature. So that should be really good as well. So good stuff. So you can see it works on my Android device. Now I did try it on my Pixel 2 XL. Let's try a device with a screen protector on it and let's see what happens. Let me unlock this. Okay, and let's see. So my Pixel XL has a screen protector on it. I did try it on my 2XL without a screen protector, and let's see. Okay, so it still works, no problem, and actually feels a lot smoother with the screen protector on it than just on my bare device. So that is really, really nice. So guys and gals, that pretty much does it for this unboxing and first impressions. And to be honest with y'all, I was really excited for this one because I really was in the market for a really good stylus pen that I could use for my editing. So hopefully this one does the job. Okay, so I'm going to use this for a good amount of time. I'm going to use it to do various different things, and again, primarily what I picked it up for is video editing. But I'm going to come back with a full review on it after I've used it for like a month. I really want to get to know it, get to know the ins and outs of it, get to know the battery life, the charge times, all that good stuff before I come back and share my opinions in my full review with you guys and gals. So we're going to use this one for a long time before we put this full review together. But that pretty much does it for the unboxing and first impressions of the ViceTing or ViceTing active stylus pen for touchscreen devices. And once again, big shout out going out to Gigi, aka Gadget Goddess, for this recommendation and that link. So far, I've been playing around with it for an hour, and I gotta say, I really like it. So good stuff, Gigi, and thank y'all so much. And y'all feel free to run over to her channel, check out her videos, and let her know that your boy Eric Drummond sent y'all over there, because she does some really great content. Her editing skills are above and beyond. Man, she's pretty cool. She's pretty cool. So y'all go ahead and check her channel out. I'll leave links to her channel down below in the video description. Alright, that pretty much does it for this one. Alright, so as always, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If y'all would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. If this video piqued your interest, as always, and you would like to know where you can pick up any and everything that I featured in the video, all the links to where y'all can pick this bad boy up at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Recording this video here today, I did use the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the Pixel 2 XL, and this video is recorded in 4K at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what y'all think of the overall video quality, and also what you guys and gals think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, your feedback is greatly appreciated. Alright, I hope everyone has a great day, and I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Peace, everybody. We out of here. Let's go. Can't wait to start using this, boy. Let's go.